I'm so nervous.
Alienware PCs. Oh my goodness. He's getting flustered. Oh my goodness.
Wait, so do we just automatically like we
No,
just,
it's probably
we just
like
keep them up?
No, probably like keep it behind the box and just be like, Alienwares and good deals don't normally go hand in hand.
Yeah.
And then, okay.
And then we just keep holding.
And then we just let go.
Okay.
No, we hold for 10 minutes.
The whole intro.
The whole unboxing. Oh! All right.
There we go. So, Johnny, you got to reach your hand out too.
All right. Ready?
Yep.
The longer we delay this, the longer.
We're like locking fingers. All right. All right.
You got this, man. You got this.
Can
Is your mic on? Yep.
I see it.
Guys, it can be really hard to. Just hard.
Really hard to get hard sometimes. That's where today's sponsor, Blue Chew.
Blue Chew comes in. You get the air every time, and then it just goes away. I know speech impediment ain't making fun of my speech impediment.
Look at the bit.
You should have been mad this morning. He was worse than I was.
He rubbed off on me.
Did he roast you or like?
No, we were doing the intro. He was like, the outro. See, I can't even know what it was. It was just such a moment. And of course, we decided to test this PC into titles. We planned. Oh my God, I'm struggling worse. And of course, we decided to test this PC and a couple other titles. We got
Don't worry, dude. I'm rubbing off on you.
And of course, guys, we decided to test this PC in a couple other titles. We played why can't I speak? Why can't I speak right now?
Guy, restart the clip. Restart the clip. All right, we have recouped. I got electrocuted. Dude, did I tell you how Aspen got like the chocolate this morning? No, it was like 3 a.m. I let him out because he was like whining, dude. And he went outside and like went straight to his corner, and I just heard. I was like, oh shit.
Can't hold it in.
No, homie like sprayed.
More like.
All right, 38 gigabytes. 40. What did I say?
You said 38.
Oh, 32.
32.
38 gigabytes.
We have 38 gigs of RAM here. 19 gigs each. All right.
Hi. Okay. We here at the ToastyBros are known for putting the RTX 3050 6GB in absolutely everything.
What am I supposed to say?
What was the line you came up with? I don't remember. You said like all that, but instead you say,
I don't feel like we've put it in everything yet.
but I don't think we put in absolutely everything yet.
Well, actually.
Something like that then? All right.
Yeah, if you just flick it to me again, or you can redo it.
I'll redo it, that's fine. Ah.
Toaster oven.
Where will the 3050 6GB fit?
Callister, do you want to be the one that we shove up your butt? Callister? Is he actually in the bathroom, bro? Okay, thank God. Can you get in the bathroom? I'm gonna shove this up your ass. No. Oh, wait, dude, okay, I know how we can do it a little better. I want to just get a clip of McAllister opening the door and going in, and then me going just like that, and then me opening the door and hearing the scream. It would be so much better.
All right, McAllister.
And also, we want to see if it'll fit inside of something like the.
But you know what?
We paid $129.99 for this motherboard. This is the ASRock B650 Pro RS Wi-Fi, so it's a. I was gonna say M. I was gonna add micro ATX, but all right, I'll redo it. Coming in at $130, we have the ASRock B660M Pro RS Wi-Fi. So, did I not say M?
You said B660.
Oh my fucking God.
It's the soda.
Did I not say M that time?
You did say the M, but you said B660.
Okay, all right.
It's probably just lower third here. Just kidding.
We're no strangers when it comes to HP HP pre-boost. Rupert is just a guy.
You got John?
Yeah.
Carmelian?
Good old
Yep.
John.
He's good. He's good live.
Yeah, that's all Jonah fucking does. I'm just nickel blom blom.
The knight in shining armor.
All right.
Nickel boom boom.
All right.
Was the knight in shining?
Ah!
Ah.
Ah! Ah!
You see my price?
I did, I think, didn't I? I feel like I did. I thought I said 100 and like
I
the,
started looking into the corner.
No, I'm just, no, literally, look, come read this, Jonah. Pause. Like, read this. I can read this. Do you see something wrong? Like, how did this show up to us?
What?
I was reading.
Blue grab hardcore.
blue grab.
I wasn't just staring into nothing. I saw that and I was like, what the fuck is that?
I was like that, and then I turned over and he's like,
I'm pretty sure I said the price. I swear. McAllister punished me
I have
later if I
no
didn't.
idea.
Flare X5 DDR5 32 gigs.
what?
I don't know. You just look funny.
Okay, thanks.
Ah.
I'm really doing my job. Now I'm thinking on my
All right, dude, you're starting to make me feel like Zach Sheehy, bro. I cannot film
God,
with you.
yeah.
I literally cannot film with you. Hey, what's up, guys? Jack and Zach here with Toasty DIY. Oh my god. Dude, you have to be off that honey. Like, something's not right with you today. Why are you wheezing?
It's because I have congestion.
Oh, okay. You ready? Keep it together, come on. Dude, are you okay? What's going on? Like, what's so funny today? I'm gonna turn this whole ceiling into a cheese grater. Why are you wearing your hoodie like that? Oh my god, all right, it doesn't matter. All right. Coming in at 80 bucks, we have 32 gigs of G-Skill. All right. Now that Jonah finally stopped laughing. He's not getting their next paycheck. All right.